jumping through the air. B is for balance, tails help them there. C is for claws that go scratch, scratch, snap. D is for dreaming, they love a good nap. E is for ears, twisting left and right. F is for fur, soft and light. G is for grooming, lick, lick, lick. H is for hunter, so fast, so quick. A, B, C, it's the meow meow way. Learning letters with cats today. Jump and pounce and curl and play. Let's sing the alphabet the cat-tastic way. I is for ice cream, no way, not for cat. J is for jumping, just like acrobats. K is for kidding, so tiny and sweet. L is for laps, the best cuddle seat. M is for meow, that's how they talk. N is for nose, sniffs as they walk. O is for outside, they love to explore. P is for purring, can't ask for more. A, B, C, it's the meow meow way. Learning lessons with cats today. Jump and pounce and curl and play. Let's sing the alphabet the cat-tastic way. Meow, wow! Q is for quick, zoom, zoom, zoom. R is for rubs in a snuggly room. S is for sleep, 18 hours a day. T is for tails that swish and sway. U is for up on the highest shelf. V is for vibrate, their whiskers not an elf. W is for whiskers long and neat. X is for extra cute, can't be beat. Y is for yawning, so wide, so slow. Z is for zoomies, go! Cat!